students, how are you doing? Good. Welcome back to English class with me, Miss Nina Sofiana. In this video, we will learn about narrative text. Most of you are probably familiar or have heard about narrative text, especially when you enjoy reading a fiction. However, let's revisit our understanding of narrative text. Enjoy the video. Do you like story? What is your favorite story? We have fable, fairy tale, folk tale, legends, myths. It's kind of fictional narrative. It can be novel or short story. There are lots of different kinds of narrative text. Today, we will discuss about definition of narrative text and then the social function of the narrative text. And the last one is generic structure of narrative text. Definition of narrative text. Narrative text is a text that tells a story or describes a sequence of events. And then the purpose of narrative text or the social function is to entertain or to amuse the reader by presenting a series of events in a coherent and engaging way. The structure of narrative text, there are three parts. The first one is orientation. Ideally, the orientation should answer the question who, when, and where. So when you're reading the orientation part, you should be able to identify the characters, the setting, both time and place of the story. The second one is complication. This section contains the problems that occur within a story. It is divided into three parts. Rising action, which the problem begins to emerge, and then climax, pick up the problem, and the last one is falling action. The tension of the problem begins to decrease and solutions start to emerge. The third part is resolution. The resolution is the part of narrative where the conflict or problem introduced earlier in the story is resolved or addressed. This may involve characters finding a solution to their issues, overcoming obstacles, or experiencing personal growth. And the last part is evaluation. Reorientation, also known as evaluation, is an optional component of narrative text that serves to reflect on the story and its events, reinforcing the moral lesson or theme. So, when you're reading a narrative text, in the end of the story, we can conclude summarizing by moral lesson. Let's enjoy the short story of narrative text. In a small village located on the slope of a mountain, lived a young boy named Holil. Holil was a bright and enthusiastic child. Every morning, he would wake up earlier than others to help his mother prepare breakfast. One day, while Holil playing in the forest behind his house, he stumbled upon a mysterious cave. Filled with the curiosity, Holil entered the cave and found an old chest and looked very ancient. With trembling hands, Holil opened the chest and discovered a treasure map. Without hesitation, Holil decided to follow the clues on the treasure map. The journey began. Holil has to cross the swift river, a dark forest, and high mountain. But with strong determination, Holil kept walking. After overcoming various obstacles and challenges, Holil finally arrived at the location indicated on the treasure map. There, he found a chest full of gold coins and sparkling gems. Holil was overjoyed and grateful for the adventure he had gone through. With a heart full of happiness, Holil returned to the village and shared his adventure with the villagers. They were amazed by Holil's bravery and perseverance. Since then, Halil was known as a hero in the village, and his adventure became a legendary tale that was remembered forever. So, it is the end of the video of narrative text lesson. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.